Hello and welcome to my channel. For those of you looking for an affordable replacement remote for the Amazon Fire TV Stick or the Fire TV Cube, today's video features one that fits the description and more. This is the 2021 CR3 Bluetooth wireless remote featuring 47 keys, a QWERTY keyboard and IR learning function. This model is also compatible with Android, Windows, macOS and Linux. This video will cover its design, button placement and functionality, and at the end you will determine whether this remote is right for you. And now a word from today's sponsor. Today's remote was sponsored by SZBox, one of the most reliable sellers on AliExpress, and they also have an Amazon store. So if you were wondering who to purchase from on AliExpress or Amazon for TV boxes and related accessories, look for the name SZBox for a reliable service. See the link to both the AliExpress and Amazon store in the description below. And now back to the video. Welcome back, and now let's have a look at its design. To the front, starting from the top, you have a power button, an LED indicator and a volume mute button. Below that, you have a home and back button. You have a direction pad with an OK button to the center. Below that, you have a menu button and media player controls, followed by your volume controls and page up and down buttons. There is a cursor locking button and an IR learning set button. Below that, you have a number pad, and the last set of buttons are 4 colored IR learning keys. To the rear side of the remote, you have a full QWERTY keyboard and a removable cover for a pair of AAA batteries. Please note, this remote does not have backlit keys. To the top of the remote is where you'll find the IR sensor. The CR3 was primarily designed as a replacement remote for the Amazon Fire TV Stick and the Fire TV Cube, so it was designed with a one-step pairing process. So here with me, I have the latest Amazon Fire TV Cube, and I will now demonstrate how easy it is to pair this remote. Firstly, this remote was designed to be used in the event you lost your remote or the remote was damaged or it's non-functional. So if you still have your stock Fire TV remote and it's connected to your device, the CR3 will not connect unless you unpair or remove the batteries. Once this is done and the stock remote is not connected to your Fire TV device, you can then proceed to pair the CR3. Once you are on the Fire TV's home screen, wait for 1 minute. Then press and hold the home button for 10 seconds until the red LED starts flashing quickly. At this point, it's pairing itself automatically, and within 10 to 15 seconds, the LED will stop flashing, which indicates that the pairing process was successful. So even though this remote was designed to pair automatically with your Fire TV device, it does have some drawbacks. 1. It does not have a voice control feature, and 2. The volume buttons don't work to control the volume. So basically all it does is that it allows you to navigate, search, and select items with its direction pad and the QWERTY keyboard, which is all you need to start playing a movie. To control the volume, you can use Alexa. When it comes to Android TV boxes, the CR3 is more compatible than with Fire TV devices. To connect the remote via Bluetooth, simply press and hold the home button for 10 seconds and this will put it into pairing mode. Then on the TV box, scan for Bluetooth devices and the CR3 will appear as an Amazon Fire TV device. Click to pair the remote and wait for a few seconds and it's done. When connected to TV boxes, most of its buttons work, including the volume controls. However, the power button function has to be learned using the IR learning function. To program buttons using IR learning is simple. On the CR3, press the power button and the IR learning set button at the same time for 1 second. This will activate the IR learning mode and its LED will remain solid. Now simply face the remote whose power button you would like to learn, whether it's your Android TV box or TV remote, at each other so that their sensors are at least 2 inches away from each other, and then press the power button on that said remote. Once the CR3 has learned the function, it will flash 3 times quickly, indicating that it has successfully learned and received the functions. Buttons on the CR3 that can be learned are the power button, the mute button, the volume controls, the page up and down buttons, and the 4 multicolor buttons. So viewers, there you have it. This was my short review of the new CR3 FireTV replacement remote. If you are interested in this remote, you can get it from SZBox on the AliExpress and Amazon stores. See the link in the description below this video. Thanks for watching. Give this video the thumbs up if you enjoyed the presentation. If you are a first-time viewer and like the work that I do on this channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button and the notifications bell before leaving to be notified when I release new videos or decide to do a giveaway. Stay tuned and I'll be seeing you in the next one.